Now come to our next question of exercise 5.1, question number 3. For the following APs are given to us. Write the first term and the common difference. Okay, so these APs are given to us. We have to find out the first term and the common difference of each and every sequence. Okay, so first example is AP is 3, 1, minus 3, comma dash dash dash. Okay, so this is our AP. So first term A of the given sequence is obviously first term is given to us. First term is what? 3. Okay, so here first term is 3. Okay, and how can we find the common difference then? Common difference is equal to so common difference is what? We have to take the subtraction of, means we have to subtract 3 from this 1. Okay, means we can write it as 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Okay, if we subtract, okay, if we have doubt about the sequence, means if we have to check the each and every term between each and every term the common difference is minus 2, then take the subtraction of next term. Okay, means we subtract 1 from this minus 1, so minus 1. Okay, means we are going to subtract this 1 from this minus 1, means the third term is minus 1. Subtract 1 from this minus 1, we get minus 1 is minus 2. Again, if we subtract minus 1 from this next term, so we get minus 3 minus of minus 1. Okay, because we are going to take the subtraction, so minus 3 minus of this minus 1, we get minus 3 plus 1, and minus 3 plus 1 is 2. Minus 2. Like this, the common difference is same everywhere in the given sequence. Okay, so first term is A is equal to 3 and common difference is equal to 1 minus 3. Okay, if our sequence is like this, then our first term is, we can denote it as A, but generally we can write it as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 up to AN, where N is any term. Okay, 11, 4, whatever the term is. Okay, so common difference we take it as A2 minus A1, like this. We can write it as A2 minus A1, or A3 minus A2, or A4 minus A3, or A5 minus A4, like this. Okay, now our first term is A. We denote our first term as A, but in general form we can write it as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, like this. Okay, so remember this thing again. Now come to second example. Here first term A is equal to what? Minus 5. Okay, and common difference. Okay, now again denote this term as A1, A2, A3, A4. For our kind of information, write that terms as A1, A2, A3, A4, and common difference. Now find out the common difference. Okay, common difference is equal to what? A2 minus this A1. Okay, A2 minus A1, and which is equal to A2 is minus 1 minus of this minus 5, and we get it as minus 1 plus 5, and it is equal to 4. Okay, so common difference is 4 here. Now in this example, come to third example. First term A is equal to, here first term is given to us, first term is 1 upon 3. Now denote this term as A1, A2, A3, A4, like this. Okay, so common difference is equal to what then? Common difference is equal to A2 minus of this A1, A2 minus A1, which is equal to 5 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3, and which is equal to, here base is same. Okay, base is same, so write it as common base, and take the subtraction of numerator 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4 upon 3. So common difference is what here? 4 upon 3. Now come to next example number 4. Here first term is given to us. So first term A is equal to, okay, write down first term as A. First term A is equal to what? First term is given to us 0.6. Okay, now denote this term as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, like this. Okay, and therefore common difference is equal to what then? A2 minus A1. Okay, we take the common difference as A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. Okay, we get the same term because our common difference is fixed. Okay, so A2 minus A1, and therefore we get common difference A2 minus A1. Okay, A2 is what? 1.7 minus 0.6, and we get it as 1.1. So our common difference is what here? 1.1. Now come to next question, question number 4. Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference T and write 3 more terms. Okay, so again the given sequence is, so again the sequence is given to us. Okay, and we have to find out the more 3 terms of this sequence. Okay, 4 terms are given to us, we have to find out again more 3 terms of this AP and also the common difference. Okay, so if how can we say that the given AP is an our arithmetic progression if the common difference is same everywhere? Okay, if the common difference is same, they means the common difference between each and every term is same, then and only then we can say that the given sequence is. So if we have to determine the given sequence is AP or not, then find out the difference. Okay, if the common difference, if the common difference is same everywhere, then we can say that the given AP is the given sequence is our AP. Okay, so here denote each and every term as A1, A2, A3, A4 like this. Okay, and now find out the common difference. So take the first difference. A2 minus A1 is equal to, A2 minus A1 means 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So this so here the so the difference between second and first term is 2. Now take the difference between A3 and A2. So A3 minus A2 is equal to 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Okay, so this is our difference between A3 and A2. Now take the difference between A4 and A3, and A4 minus A3 is equal to 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. Okay, if our given sequence is an AP, then we must have the common difference between each and every term be same. Okay, but here the common difference is but here the difference between each term is different here. Okay, so our given sequence is not an AP. So write down, therefore the given sequence is not an AP. Okay, is not an AP because the common difference is not same everywhere. Now come to next example. I am taking only the examples that are difficult to you. Okay, you must have to solve the other examples except these examples which we have taken in this video. Okay, so try to solve the other examples at home and come to next example. So our next example is example number 5. So try to solve example number 2, 3 and 4 at yourself. Okay, as yourself. Okay, so next example is example number 5. Here the sequence is given to us. We have to show that the sequence is AP or not. 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2. Okay, again denote them as A1, A2, A3 and A4. Now find the common difference between each and every term. So A2 minus A1 is equal to 3 plus root 2 minus 3. Okay, in the given this is our A2 minus A1. Okay, but here see in this term and this 3 plus root 2 and this 3 is common there. Okay, or we can say that 3 minus this 3. Okay, 3 minus this 3 separate terms are there. This 3 and this 3 is again separate terms. So 3 minus 3 is 0. So we get A2 minus A1 as root 2. Okay, now next is A3 minus A2, which is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. Okay, 3 minus, okay, if we take it as 3 plus root 2, then after solving the bracket, okay, after simplifying the bracket, we get it as 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3, and this minus plus becomes minus root 2. Okay, now see here 3 and this minus 3 get cancelled, we get 2 root 2 minus root 2. Okay, now take root 2 as common, so root 2 is common. In bracket we get 2 minus 1. Okay, because 2 and in this second term only 1 is remaining, so 2 minus 1 we get root 2 into 1, and root 2 into 1 is again root 2. Okay, now take the difference between A4 minus A3. Okay, A4 minus A3 is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2. Okay, now solve the bracket. Okay, different signs are there, negative sign and plus sign, so different signs are there, so you must have to take the bracket. Okay, 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 and minus plus becomes minus 2 root 2, which is equal to 3, and this minus 3 get cancelled, we get 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. Now root 2 is common, take it common, and in bracket 3 minus 2 is remaining, which is equal to root 2, and 3 minus 2 is 1, so we get root 2. Now see, in each and every term root 2 is common there, so root 2 is the common difference, and therefore the given sequence is an AP with common difference because root 2 is common everywhere with common difference. with common difference t is equal to root 2. Okay, and now we have to find the next three terms. Okay, so this is our a1, a2, a3 and a4. If we have to find out the next term, then we have to add root 2 in this fourth term, means we write it as 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2. Okay, means this is our fourth term, this is a5. Okay, a5 is equal to what? We have to add root 2 in this a4, then we get a5. So 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2, which is equal to 3 plus, now see here, root 2 is common, so take it as common. In bracket 3 is remaining, and in this term only 1 is remaining. 3 plus 1, which is equal to 3 plus 1 is 4, means we get 3 plus 4 root 2. Okay, if we have to find out a6, then we have to add root 2 in this a5. So a6 we get it as a5 plus root 2, which is equal to a5 is 3 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2, which is equal to 3 plus, again root 2 is common, in bracket 4 is remaining, and in this term only 1 is remaining, and we get it as 3 plus 5 root 2. Okay, and if we have to find out a7, then we write it as a6 plus root 2, which is equal to a6 is our 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2, which is equal to, again 3 plus root 2 is common, in bracket 5 plus 1 is remaining, and we get it as 3 plus 6 root 2. Okay, in this way we have to take the next example. Now come to next example, example number 11. I am taking example number 11. So example number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, you must have to solve that examples at home. Okay, so example number 11 is a square, a3, a4. Okay, so write it as a1, a2, a3 and a4. Denote them as a1, a2, a3, a4. Now find out the difference. Okay, so a2 minus a1 is equal to, a2 is a square minus a is equal to, now a is common, so take it as common, in bracket a minus 1 is remaining. Okay, so this is the common difference. Now take the common difference between a3 and a2. So a3 minus a2 is equal to a cube minus a square. Again a square is common in both terms. Okay, so take it as common, a square, in bracket a minus 1 is remaining. See here, only a is here, in first in above term only a is there, and in second term a square is there, so common difference is not same here. Now after comparing these two terms, we can observe that here common difference is not same. Now take the difference between a4 and a3. a4 minus a3 is equal to a raised to 4 minus a cube. Again in both term we can take a3 as common, a cube as common, and in bracket a minus 1 is remaining. Okay, so see, a into a minus 1, this term contain a square into a minus 1, and this term contain a cube into a minus 1, so common difference is not same everywhere, so this given sequence is not AP. So write down here, the given sequence is not AP. The given sequence is not AP, as the common difference is not same everywhere, is not same every time. Okay, is not same every time. Okay, so the given sequence is not an AP. Now come to next example, example number 12. Okay, root 2, root 8, root 18 and root 32. Okay, so denote them as a1, a2, a3, a4, because we have to find out the common difference between them. Okay, therefore, so take the common difference. a2 minus a1 is equal to, here a2 minus a1 is equal to, see, root 8 minus root 2. Okay, root 8 minus root 2, and we write it as root 8. We can denote root 8 as 4 into 2. We can write root 8 as 4 into 2 minus root 2. Okay, and root 4 is 2. So so root 4, we can separate this as, okay, we can separate this is at root 4 into root 2 minus root 2, and root 4 is 2 root 2 minus root 2. Okay, root 4 is 2 and this root 2 is multiplied there, so 2 into root 2, root 4 is 2 and this root 2 is multiplied minus root 2, which is equal to, now root 2 is common here, so take it as common, and in bracket 2 minus 1 is remaining, so we get root 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, so we get only root 2. Now a3 minus a2. Okay, a3 minus a2 is what? Root 18 minus root 8, which is equal to, now again we can write root 18 as under root of 9 into 2 minus root 8 as 4 into 2, which is equal to, again we can separate then root 9 into root 2 minus root 4 into root 2. So we know very well root 9 is 3 and this root 2 is remaining, minus root 4 is 2 and this root 2 is multiplied. Okay, now root 2 is common, so take it as common. In bracket 3 minus 2 is remaining, and which is equal to root 2. 3 minus 2 is 1 again. Okay, now again a4 minus a3. Okay, a4 minus a3, a4 is root 32. Root 32 minus root 18. Okay, again root 32 means what? Root 32 under root of 16 into 2 minus root 18, again 9 into 2, which is equal to root 16. Again separate them, root 16 into root 2 minus root 9 into root 2, which is equal to root 16 is 4 and root 2 minus root 9 is 3 and this root 2 is multiplied there. Again root 2 is common, so take it as common. In bracket 4 minus 3 is remaining, which is equal to root 2. So you can see that, you can see everywhere root 2 is the common difference, and therefore root 2 is common everywhere, and therefore the common difference is what? Then root 2. Therefore the given sequence is an AP. Therefore the given sequence is an AP as D is equal to root 2. Okay, and now find out the next three terms. So we have to find out a5 here. A5 is equal to what then? a4 plus root 2. Okay, and a4 is whatever? Root 32 plus this root 2. Okay, root 32 we can write it as 4 root 2. Okay, see here, 4 root 2 plus root 2. Now again root 2 is common here, so take it as common. In bracket 4 plus 1 and we get 5 root 2. Okay, similarly a6. Okay, a6 we can find out a6 as a5 plus root 2. Okay, because common difference is root 2, and that's why we are going to add the common difference in each term. Okay, a5 plus root 2. a5 is 5 root 2. 5 root 2 plus root 2. Again 5 root 2 is common, so in bracket take root 2 as common, and in bracket 5 plus 1 is remaining, and in this way we get 6 root 2. Okay, now a7 means we can find out a7 as a6 plus again common difference root 2, which is equal to a6 is 6 root 2 plus this root 2. Root 2 is common difference here. Okay, means we can write it a plus d like this. Okay, so a6 plus root 2 and 6 root 2, here again root 2 is common. In bracket 6 plus 1 and we get it as 7 root 2. Okay, so now this is all about question number 12. Now come to next question. Now come to a next example. Next example is 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. Okay, so denote them as a1, a2, a3 and a4. Okay, now find out the difference between each and every term. So first difference is a2 minus a1. Okay, a2 minus a1 means 3 square minus 1 square. Okay, 3 square minus 1 square, 3 square is 9 minus 1 square is 1 is equal to 8. So we get first difference as 8. Now find out second difference. a3 minus a2 is equal to, a3 is 5 square minus 3 square is equal to 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9 we get it as 16. Okay, so 16 is the second difference. Now for next difference is a4 minus a3. a4 is 7 square minus 5 square. Okay, 7 square is 49 minus 5 square is 25, and we get 7 square minus 25 as 24. Okay, now see everywhere, every time if when we take the difference between each and every term, then we get the difference between each term is different. Okay, so here the given sequence is not NAP because the common difference is not same every time. So write down, therefore the given sequence is not AP. Given sequence is not an AP, because the common difference is not same every time. Okay, is not same every time, and that's why example number 14 means 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square is not an AP. So try to solve the other examples except these examples which are taken in our videos. Except this example, try to solve the other examples that are very easy. Thank you.